Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is DISCRETION, and this right here I'm going to show you right about now is a video of a young man pulled over by police officers in the United States of America, right? Where a police officer, right, held a gun at him and tell him to shut off his car. Now according to social media, them said that the police officer was trying to set up this man's life. Now the reason why I explain a bit before I show you this video is the fact that I want to make my viewers them know that the scene you're about to see is not suitable for everyone. Viewers, discretion is advised. Alright? Take a look and observe.
Can you tell me what I did wrong?
Okay. Shut your car off.
What I do wrong?
Shut your car off.
Come on, shoot me.
Shut your car off.
You wanna shoot me?
Got a gun.
Where?
Gun.
Where?
Shut the car off.
Where? My hands in the air.
Shut the car off. Shut
No, hey, come shut the car off. I ain't moving my hands. He trying to shoot me. He trying to shoot me.
Shut the car off.
I ain't moving. No, my hands in the air.
Shut the car off.
My hands in the air. My hands in the air. My hands in the air. My hands in the air.
Need units at Midland Heights.
My hands in the air. My hands in the air.
All you gotta do is drive off.
What I was doing? What was I doing? What was I doing? My hands in the air. My hands in the air.
Shoot. To comply with the lawful
Shoot
order.
me. My hands in
I'm
the air.
not gonna shoot you, but you're not gonna move those
My
hands.
hands in the air. My hands in the air. You tell me to shut my car off so you can shoot me. Come on now. 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 Shoot me. Hey, get in your car.
I'm filming too.
Oh, it's in my name. It's registered. It's registered. Shoot me.
I'm filming too.
I'm filming. I ain't did nothing.
You failed to comply with the lawful order.
What
you
I
were
do?
told to leave the parking
I
lot.
was pulling off. I couldn't hit his car.
Come back.
I couldn't hit his car. How I come back? How did I come back?
You never left the parking lot.
I just pulled up when they called me and told me, we finna go to Jonesboro. We leaving from Jonesboro.
Step out the car.
Hey, I ain't touching that thing. He trying to shoot me. Hey, you come put it in the park. You put it in park.
Step out the car.
What you pushing my hand for?
Step out the car.
What you pushing my hands for? Hey. What you pushing my hands for? What you pushing my hands for? How can I step out the car? What you pushing my hands for? Come on now.
We're gonna get out the car one way or the other.
Hey, you gonna put it in park? I'm not, cause you trying to shoot me,
Step
bro.
out the
Come
car.
on. Put it in park for me. Yes, sir. Come on.
Put
Come
it in
on.
park for you. How am I gonna put it in park?
I'm telling him to put it in park. I'm not talking to you. You trying to shoot me. What you pushing my arms back for? What you pushing my arms back for? Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, put it in park for me.
Get out. Get out the car. Turn over.
For what? What?
Here.
For what? For what?
Turn over.
See, that's on live, right? And that gun in my
I
knife.
got a body cam on too. Get up.
I'm trying to see what you snatched me out the car for.
Get up.
Help me up.
Get under your feet.
Help me.
Get under your feet.
Come on, help me up.
Get under your feet.
Hey, Fat, get my phone. Hey, my phone right there. It's right there.
Viewers and subscribers, the biggest question right here some have to ask is what would have really have happened if this young man did reach to try and turn off the car? Cause look at this though, let me say it for those who don't really fully understand. You see it? This young man obviously have been pulled over by this police officer, and the police officer have a weapon pointing at the young man and telling him that he must shut off the car, right? And at the same time you're saying shut off the car, the young man said to himself, you're trying to shoot me, right? It's a good thing the young man I think and hold him hand in the air. And then the next thing again when we look at is that the police officer yelled to him rest of co-workers, which are police officers also, saying that the man have a gun. Like he said, he has a gun. Like, really and truly. No, sir. And that's not the only thing. The next thing him look at the man and say, all he had to do is drive off. Like, huh? No, brother. My brothers and sisters, this really and truly is something the world needs to see. You get me? This one is really tough. Now, when you hold your hand in the air, really and truly, when you hold your hand in the air, in front of the law enforcers or anyone, it is an indication saying that you surrender. And there is no law on earth that would say that you're wrong. You can never be wrong to surrender, especially when it's towards the law. You know what I say? You know, we're not talking about self-defense. We're talking about a situation like this. You see? You see me? Obeying the law is one of the biggest and the greatest thing you do. And this young man seems to be very well obeying the law. Suppose him never have a phone pan him for video. Wagwan. Suppose him never did that thing for say, yo, turn on my camera and phone. Huh? What would have really happened to this young man? And one of the best thing him do when he put him hand outside of the car. May I tell you, viewers and subscribers, me leave this phone to take a look and tell me what you really think. You see me I say? Tell me what you really look at the situation and I want to see. You see it? Jano. Anyways, I don't know the thing already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, yeah? You see it?